Continuing our coronavirus coverage now, with the tourism industry bracing for trouble, the U.S. State Department has issued some ominous words about taking a cruise. It says U.S. citizens, especially those with underlying health conditions, should not get on a ship.
CBS 4's Carey has that part of the story for us.
Passengers left the Regal Princess cruise ship Monday at Port Everglades a day later than expected.
It was terrible. It really was terrible.
Fortunately, there are no reported coronavirus cases on board. In Northern California, the Grand Princess finally docked in Oakland Monday after being denied entry in San Francisco and floating off the West Coast for several days. 21 people on board tested positive for coronavirus, 19 of them crew members. This is video taken by Broward County resident Michael Kallman, who's on board the ship with his wife, Kathy. He said they're surrounded by law enforcement boats.
We feel like we're in prison.
Kallman is a retired Broward Sheriff's Office sergeant. Fortunately, he and his wife are healthy, and they have spent 6 consecutive days confined to their cabin.
We feel fine.
We feel okay. We feel good. We're just depressed that we can't get off the boat.
They want to get off their boat. Other cruise passengers in Miami can't wait to get on. Passengers loaded onto 6 cruise ships at Port Miami Monday.
I have Neosporin in my nose. We got Clorox wipes. We're good. We're going to be healthy.
This comes as the State Department issued a warning Sunday telling people, especially the elderly and those with pre-existing health conditions, not to travel on cruises. Dr. Suzanne Doblecki-Lewis is the clinical director at the University of Miami's Infectious Disease Division.
Because of the close quarters, we've seen that cruise ships are a way that the virus can then disseminate to a lot of different geographic locations once people get back home.
In California, Michael Kallman and his wife can't wait to get back to Florida, but he says they'll likely be on the boat for several more days before being sent somewhere to be tested.
We really feel we passed the incubation period already, but we still have to go to an Air Force base and be tested.
That was Carey reporting.